Greg Bird, New York Yankees. Run on first, nobody out.
So I got a question. Where do you follow these guys around? Yeah, okay. Are there any restaurants
Several.
Oh, there is?
Yes. Well, that's how I know last year.
What the hell are they doing here? Well, why are you here?
Yeah, I
Well, that's what I wondered. You think that that's where you could actually go for the Circle A and exactly. That's because of what
Smoke that.